It's MK baby, Mommy's Kitchens.
Hello viewers, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. It's Mommy's Kitchens once again. We will be preparing fried coconut rice today. As you can see on the screen, those are the ingredients you'll be needing: onions, paprika, pepper, coconut milk, coconut paste, about a kilo of meat. Then you need the spring onion, and you will need also green beans. So we start by preparing the onions. I cut the onions to slices, then put the meat into the pot, add some water, and then add the onions, the sliced onions to it. Then add 2 teaspoons of seasoning. And then add some salt to taste. Then you want to add some little amount of dry ginger, and then you add some dried garlic, and then you add your pepper to it, fresh chopped pepper. Then close up and leave to boil. Then we start by preparing the other vegetables for the cooking. We chop the spring onions, slice them into bits. Then next you need to cut your paprika. You want to cut them the same size as your spring onions also, so that they have a uniform look. Now you cut another ball of onions. You dice it up. Next is your pepper, another pepper. We're using altogether 2 pepper. Dice it up also. Then you prepare the carrot. Start by peeling the outer part of it, and then cutting them nicely, and then into little cubes. Exactly. All about the same size to have a uniform look. Then the yellow paprika, we want to cut it up also in same size. Then we want to check on our meat and see if it's done. Check out on the texture. Yep, it's done. So we're gonna cover it up and place it aside. Next, we prepare the rice. We start by washing the rice. I'm using about a kilo of rice. So just wash it up, wash it properly to make sure that until the water becomes clear, not milky. Then it should be okay. Then add some water to it. Remember, we're not trying to cook up the rice right now till it gets done. We just want to kind of pre-boil it. So we're gonna cook it just a little bit. The water in here is not to cook the rice completely, but just to pre-cook it so that it still has a kind of hard consistency. I mean, basically don't cook it till it's done. If not, you're gonna have a mashy mess at the end of the day. So we start now frying the meat, the cooked meat. Start frying it, and remember, don't throw away the meat stock. We will still be needing it later on. So you keep the meat stock, take out the meat and fry. Once the meat is done frying, just take them out and keep warm. Next, we want to cut some chicken sausage. This is such a chicken sausage. So we want to cut it into little cubes. Exactly. So next we start preparing. We start preparing the vegetables. So first we add some little amount of butter into the pan and wait till the butter melts completely. So the butter is melted right now. You can see it's steaming. Then we want to add those sausage we just sliced into it. Add the sausage, stir a little bit, and next we want to introduce the whole vegetables into the pan. Now we'll stir and keep stirring to make sure it's not burning. You start with a high heat. Now we are adding 2 to 3 tablespoons of seasoning. Then we add some salt. Stir it up a little bit, stir it up. Next we add some dried pepper into it. Then we stir it up to have it even out. So we cover up and let it steam for a while. So we check on the rice right now. It's done. I mean, not like done as finally done, but we have the consistency we need. It's pre-boiled, so we can take it up right now. Then we start by putting some of the meat stock in an empty pot. Then we put the rice into the meat stock. As you can see, I've decided to divide it into 2 pots, so because we need some space in the pot to be able to stir. So you add some 2 teaspoons of seasoning, and then you add also 2 teaspoons of curry to it. Now we add the coconut cream to it. This time I added 3 teaspoons each, depending on the volume of rice you're cooking. You stir properly, make sure it goes round. Add some water. And then cover up with a nylon. I use a nylon to cover it up before I put on the lid, so that what it does is that it maintains the heat in the pot, and also secondly it doesn't allow the water to escape from the pot, so that you have it not burning so quickly. Okay, so now we go back to the vegetables. As you can see, I'm adding some thymian. Into it, just a little bit for taste. We don't want to have too much of it. So we also add some garlic into it. Like I said, I'm using dried grinded garlic. So also we have some ginger, also dried grinded ginger to it. So we stir it up. Then cover up and let it steam for a while. So we're serving plantain to it, fried plantain. We'll peel the plantain right now and slice it up. So we put out the vegetables to create some space for frying the plantain. So we are frying. We're going to make sure the oil is hot and sizzling before you start adding the plantains to it. So we're going to fry the plantain till it becomes gold brown. So back to our rice, we check it. Oh yeah, it's done, it's ready. So now we introduce the vegetables into the rice, the colorful vegetables. Now you can see that their fried coconut rice is coming up. Exactly, that's what we want to have. Now I'm adding some sand into it. Remember to add the oil because it gives it also a nice taste. So stir, take out the nylons and then cover up because the rice is basically done. What we're doing now is just to have the rice and the vegetables to harmonize. Now the plantains are ready. They are gold brown, as you can see, looking lovely. We take them out now, and then back to the rice. Like I told you, it's done. Now we have that homogenic look. You can see, looking lovely and tasty too. So just here, and it's ready to be served. Isn't it looking lovely? Wow. Yummy, 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 yummy. So we can serve now, like I said. So this is what our finished product looks like, served, ready to eat. I hope you enjoyed this episode, and I believe you'll be able to replicate this. And when you do, I wish you a nice meal. Enjoy it, and thank you for turning up this time around. Thank you for coming to our channel. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Till the next time we meet again, keep it cooking. Thank you so much. Bye.